Welcome to Analyst Group's interview with Jari Varjotie, the CEO of Savosolar, who are conducting a rights issue until the 25th of October. In today's interview, we will be talking about Savosolar's offering, the market's growth, the company's focus going forward, and as to why Savosolar is a good investment today. For investors who have not yet heard about Savosolar, could you describe what you offer and which market you operate within?
Okay, Savosolar develops and delivers large-scale solar heating systems for district heating and for industrial companies who need heat in their processes. Our systems are based on our own developed and patented technology, and our large solar thermal collectors we use in these systems are the most efficient in the world, and that's verified by the certified test laboratories. We operate globally, but naturally our focus in the beginning and so far has been mostly in Europe, mainly also inside Europe in countries like Denmark, Germany and France. However, we are working to expand our presence both inside Europe and are just now delivering our first system also in China.
Oh, great. So could you describe how Savosolar creates revenue and how your business model work?
So we deliver energy systems or projects to district heating companies or industrial companies or investors, so-called project developers, meaning our customers produce heat to their customers or for their processes. We deliver turnkey solutions, meaning we built the whole system and started for our customers. And the delivery includes the system design, which is one of our key competencies, our own large collectors, and then all the components and services we then purchase from our partners and suppliers, so we are able to build the whole plant. Projects are often very large, or at least rather large, and therefore the payments and also revenue recognition happen during the manufacturing and delivery of the systems. We normally receive an advance payment, and then there are milestones which trigger the payments during or throughout the delivery time.
All right, and which segment of the market do you view as the most important for Savosolar right now?
As said earlier, we focus in two segments: solar district heating and industrial process heating. District heating segment is more active in Europe. Naturally, it happens also in China and other places, but it's more active in Europe. And then industrial customers can be anywhere in the world, including Europe. We see both segments growing, maybe even could say growing remarkably, and both are equally important for us. Additionally, I could say that we see them also important for the world, since in both segments there is a great potential to move from fossil fuels to genuinely clean heat with our technology and offering.
All right. What will be the primary focus going forward, do you think?
Naturally, our main focus is to accelerate the growth by getting us into new markets and getting larger project orders to deliver. Growth is important also because with that we can get volumes, which is an elementary part for the profitability we aim for. Additionally, we naturally continue to improve our own processes and efficiency as part of the road to the profitability.
Yeah, and how do you plan to use the received capital from the rights issue?
In our sales pipeline, there are larger and larger projects we are asked to offer, and we are offering. The higher our liquidity and solidity are, the bigger projects we can offer. And that could mean possibly several larger projects simultaneously. So with our strong technical and commercial offering, this will give us faster track to higher volumes and profitability. with a bit different wording, it means that we plan to use the capital to meet the company's working capital requirements and increase our financial flexibility and capacity such that we can offer and execute larger projects and can also increase our ability to meet the rapidly growing market demand for large solar thermal systems we see now all over the world.
Sounds great. And finally, if you could just give us 3 reasons as to why Savosolar is a good investment today.
First of all, there is a huge change happening in the world as we speak. All over the world, there are drastic actions taken against global warming, like now European Union's Green Deal program. Recently, the prices of emissions and energy have increased significantly, and they continue to do so, partly because of the above-mentioned actions against fossil fuels and climate change, and partly because of the current economical growth. This means that there is an enormous demand everywhere, both from governments, or actually I can say from governments, companies, and most importantly from us citizens, to find alternative clean energy sources. Heating, which is our specialty, covers about 50% of total global energy consumption today. It is inevitable that all burning-based current heating, which is happening everywhere, can't be replaced by electrification only. There must be also other clean options. So now, when the COVID-19 restrictions are being removed, we see that the market has never been as active in looking for the clean solution like solar thermal as it is today. So then, secondly, we, meaning Savosolar, can offer genuinely clean heat in large scale, meaning also with large positive impact to the climate, with competitive energy price to the customers. We have a very credible reference base, both in the solar district heating and industrial process heating segments, over 100,000 square meters of collector fields operating today. And these, we say, preferences or plants are owned by our customers who are satisfied in our high quality, credibility, low operating expenses of the solar plants, and the outstanding performance our systems provide to them. We are the leading supplier in Europe and are now getting our first reference in China. So this is an excellent base for the steps to the next level growth. And third reason, due to these 2 above-mentioned reasons, we have global sales pipeline of 145 million euros, and see that we will be part of many large projects as our clients globally make final decisions on their investments in clean heat.
Great. Thank you, Jari. It sounds really interesting where you and the company is as of right now.